Deep in the heart of Chhattisgarh lies Bastar, a region unlike any other in India. Covered in dense forests, cascading waterfalls, ancient tribal villages, and rich cultural heritage, Bastar is a raw and unexplored gem for travelers who want to go beyond mainstream tourism. With its rugged terrain and spiritual depth, Bastar offers a unique blend of adventure, nature, and tradition. Start your journey with a visit to Chitrakote Falls, often called the Niagara of India. This magnificent horseshoe-shaped waterfall, especially powerful during the monsoon, plunges dramatically into the Indravati River. Surrounded by lush greenery, it's the perfect setting for photography, relaxation, and peaceful nature walks. Just a short distance away, Tiratagarh Waterfalls offers a more tranquil escape, a wide white curtain of water flowing down step-like rock formations, ideal for a misty walk or a quiet picnic. For those interested in history and architecture, Bastar is home to several ancient temples carved from stone. The Danteshwari temple in Dantewada is not only a spiritual center but also a cultural landmark built in the 14th century. It forms one of the 52 Shakti Peethas and is deeply rooted in local beliefs. The architecture, rituals, and annual Dashahara festival are fascinating insights into indigenous spirituality. Adventure lovers can explore the Kange Valley National Park, a protected area rich in biodiversity. Here, you'll find everything from wild bison and leopards to colorful butterflies and rare birds. The park also houses the Kailash Caves and Kotumsar Caves, natural limestone caverns with ancient formations, underground chambers, and bats. Trekking through the jungle paths and exploring the cave interiors is both thrilling and educational. A visit to Bastar is incomplete without immersing yourself in tribal culture. Over 70% of the population here is made up of various tribal communities such as the Gonds, Marias, and Murias. Their lifestyle, handicrafts, dance, and food offer a glimpse into a world that has remained rooted in tradition for centuries. You can witness tribal dance forms like Goryo and Dandami Maria, try the unique bamboo-based cuisine, and visit weekly haats, markets, where tribal artisans sell handmade bell metal crafts, wood carvings, and traditional fabrics. At this point, if the raw beauty and cultural richness of Bastar have inspired you, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most unique, hidden, and culturally rich travel destinations across India, places that deserve to be seen and respected. Back in Bastar, continue your exploration by heading to Narayanapal Temple, a lesser-known architectural site by the Indravati River that dates back to the 11th century. For those looking to camp or stay close to nature, ecotourism sites near Jagdalpur offer forest stays and tribal homestays that are both sustainable and immersive. Birdwatching in the early mornings and campfires under starry skies at night make for memorable experiences. The best time to visit Bastar is from October to March, when the weather is cool and the festivals are in full swing. The Bastar Dashahara, celebrated for over 75 days, is not only one of the longest festivals in India but also entirely driven by tribal traditions, a spectacle of rituals, chariot processions, and folk ceremonies not seen anywhere else. Bastar is not just a place to visit, but a region to feel, understand, and respect. It remains one of India's most authentic cultural landscapes, where the rhythm of tribal drums echoes through the forests, and every trail leads to something ancient and sacred.